The law of attraction, does it really work?
Have you ever heard the phrase, you attract what you think about?
This is the core idea behind the law of attraction. Many successful people, from entrepreneurs to celebrities, claim that they have used it to manifest their dreams. But does it actually work? Or is it just another self-help myth? In this video, we'll break down the science and reality behind the law of attraction and whether you can use it to change your life. What is the law of attraction? The law of attraction is a belief that your thoughts and emotions can shape your reality. It suggests that if you focus on positive thoughts, you will attract positive outcomes. On the other hand, if you constantly dwell on negativity, you may attract more struggles. This idea is rooted in the concept that like attracts like. Supporters of the law of attraction believe that by visualizing success, affirming positive outcomes, and maintaining gratitude, you can bring your desires into reality, whether it's wealth, health, relationships, or personal growth. Why do so many people believe in it? There are countless stories of people who claim that the law of attraction changed their lives. Some say they visualized their dream job and got hired, while others believe they attracted love or financial success simply by focusing on those desires. Books like The Secret by Rhonda Byrne popularized this idea, making it seem like a magical force. Many celebrities, including Jim Carrey and Oprah Winfrey, have spoken about using visualization and affirmations to achieve their dreams. But is there any scientific truth behind it? The science behind the law of attraction. While there is no direct scientific proof that thoughts alone can change physical reality, psychology and neuroscience do support some aspects of the law of attraction. The reticular activating system, or RAS. Your brain has a system called the reticular activating system, RAS, that filters out unnecessary information and focuses on what you consider important. When you constantly think about a goal, your RAS helps you notice opportunities related to that goal. This makes it seem like the universe is aligning things for you, but in reality, your brain is just more aware of opportunities that were always there. The power of positive thinking. Studies have shown that people with a positive mindset are more likely to take action and persist through challenges. This increases their chances of success, making it seem like they attracted success through thoughts alone. In reality, their optimism pushed them to work harder. Visualization and goal setting. Athletes and high achievers use visualization techniques to improve performance. When you visualize success, your brain treats it as a real experience, reinforcing confidence and motivation. This can improve your chances of achieving your goals. But it's not because of magic, it's because of mental conditioning. Why the law of attraction fails for some people. If the law of attraction really works, why doesn't everyone achieve their dreams? Here are some reasons. 1. Lack of action. Thinking positively is not enough. You must take consistent action. Many people believe they can just wish for success without putting in the work. The law of attraction can help with mindset, but without action, nothing happens. 2. Negative subconscious beliefs. If deep down you don't believe you deserve success, your subconscious mind will work against you. This is why self-doubt and limiting beliefs must be addressed. 3. Unrealistic expectations. Some people expect instant results. The law of attraction is not a magic wand. It's a mindset tool that, when combined with effort, can lead to success. How to use the law of attraction effectively. If you want to use the law of attraction in a way that actually works, follow these steps. Be clear about your goals. Write down your goals in detail and visualize them as if they have already happened. Take inspired action. Don't just sit and wait. Take steps toward your goals. Practice gratitude. Be thankful for what you have. Grateful mindset attracts more positive experiences. Eliminate negative self-talk. Challenge negative thoughts and replace them with positive affirmations. Surround yourself with positivity. Be around people and content that uplift and motivate you. Conclusion. So does the law of attraction really work? The answer is yes and no. While your thoughts alone won't magically change your reality, your mindset can shape your actions, and your actions determine your success. The key is to combine visualization with real effort. Remember, you don't attract what you want, you attract what you are. If you think and act like a successful person, success will naturally follow. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more powerful insights.